Megan Fass here, Fass Results, and so excited about our new McLean listing that's on a 0.8 acre lot in extreme privacy. This exceptional, beautiful Colonial is worth the wait. And walk out to this oversized great deck that backs to parkland so you have privacy and trees all year round. This is your dream kitchen. You've got 2 islands, 2 sinks, double oven, island for seating, and open to the family room. And you'll love the addition that provides serenity with these views and even a bonus 4 seasons sunroom for relaxing. Love working from home in this sun-filled office with 2 desks. And you can even enjoy views of the parkland right from your jacuzzi tub. And enjoy this bar in the fully finished walkout basement. Or relax and watch TV. Or perfect for family game night. And this huge rec room is entertainment for all. Don't miss this opportunity to own your own private oasis and beautiful home. I'm Megan Fass, and let's get you fast results.